Today I'm going to show you how to work a leather cord clasp. So I have the knot here and the sliding knot here, and you pull on the tab and open up the loop. Cat wants to join us. And to close it, you put the loop back on and push that sliding knot closed. Now if you need to change out the pendant, you can untie, don't mess with this knot, this one is difficult. You can untie this slip knot over here, like so. Slip off your pendant, put on your new pendant, and then to retie the slip knot, it's down, around, and when you go through, you want to go and face it away from the loop. So this end here is going to go over, under, and through. So your final knot should slide on the long strand and not slide on the short strand. And then you can reconnect your clasp.